Welcome back, guys. Follow the Farang. We are now today at Samyot. We've come to our Gongmu Satay, which means Grandpa's Skewers. He has a selection, which I'm going to show to you. So you can get the grilled pork mu ping, you can get the fried fish. They have tendon meatballs, they have sausage, they have pork balls. You can see it all. There's sticky rice. Very, very cheap, like 13 baht for a skewer, which is amazing for Bangkok. Some of the other ones are even cheaper at 10 baht. But what I will tell you is these skewers are bigger than anybody else's, and they come with the fried pork, fried garlic, and like black pepper. They're really, really well seasoned. The size of these are absolutely huge. Look at the size of that, and they just get really nicely trimmed so that they're perfect. And then auntie or grandpa, who depends who's here, you can see they go onto there. They get dipped in like this really, really amazing sauce, and then it's grilled on top of that, and there's your garlic just there. I mean, this is the one. I'm gonna get a handful because I'm peckish, and look how this works. That's straight in the pot. Gets all the flavour. Look at that, look at that. Absolutely delicious. Aloy mak mak, you've got to come, you must. This is one of those places that is a must visit on your trip to Bangkok. You can see that the garlic is being added to that as well. Look at that now. Oh, and the pepper. Look, here comes the flavour. Wow, yeah, definitely the one. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to eat this one. So I got 2 pork and 1 fish. I very rarely see fish cooked like this in Bangkok. Like, you do get fish balls, but like not like fish cake. So it's interesting, and I wanted to try it. But look at the size of this. I mean, this is double the size of almost any mu ping that I've seen. And look, you've got the extra garlic on top there. You've got some black pepper, and it's been dipped in that juicy sauce. The only thing left to do is to taste it and see how that goes. Okay, this is where we find out if this was worth the trip. Yeah. Actually, yeah, it's really good. I really like the pepper. And who doesn't like garlic, let's be fair. A little bit chewy, but soft also, like crispy on the outside. These are really good quality. And the spice, it starts to creep up on you. This is good. This may even go above my other skewer recommendation, which, although has more variety, and like they have all the different dips, to be honest with you, I don't think you really need much more than this. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of spicy sauce, and good quality pork. Grandpa's mu ping. Well, it's actually, in English, it's called Grandpa's Recipe Satay. I can't remember what the exact name is, but in half Chinese, half Thai, because Agung actually is Chinese for Grandpa. So we know this is a Chinese Thai stall, so they mix the words a little bit. But yeah, I really, really recommend this. This is a seriously good, probably the best. Actually, before I do that, let me taste the fish before I finish the video, because this I've never had, so let's just check and see like what this is like. Oh, wow. This is really delicious. It's like fried fish cake, but quite soft. Good flavour. And you can see, I don't know if you can see this on the close-up, but there's some chili embedded in there as well. So you've got, again, spice, garlic, really soft fish, like really, really nice. Yeah, I really recommend this stall. This is definitely one for a visit. And the guys next door kindly let me sit at the table. Well, auntie asked about that, so I didn't have anything to do with that, but they said yes. And I've just noticed they have one of the biggest chickens I've ever seen in my life. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to come back and probably check that stall as well. It's a khao man gai, the chicken. Let me show you this. Look at the size of that chicken. That's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and do a little test on that as well. So yeah, Grandpa's recipe, pork satay. Make your way here, you won't regret it.